Good morning, everyone. I think it's a great day to be out here in the DIA conference in Bangalore. It's the IT-enabled conference for the life sciences industry, and I think the way IT and the technology is moving today currently, and we put up a theme today as part of Glenmark's in terms of an IT day in life sciences. Where IT is cutting across borders, boundaries within the life sciences. And end of the day, I think the biggest value that technology is bringing is improving product safety, increasing patient safety, and we're all working in a regulated and a better compliance world today. And finally, our goal and motto is to have medicines and healthcare to all at affordable prices and with very good quality. I think that's one of the basic points that Glenmark has as an organization. And Glenmark being in the research space, it's a research-driven organization where we want to bring and give back to society, improve quality of life, better healthcare at an affordable price. So thank you.
So I'm very excited to be here. I think there's a lot of opportunity around the technology space and the clinical space in India. There's a great need around not only rural areas but also urban areas within India where technology can play a huge difference, make a huge difference in how we deliver drugs and how we develop drugs. And technology has to be the leader in driving some of those innovations. But in order to be able to do that, they have to understand what the issues are, they have to understand who can help them because they can't do it themselves. And once you bring all that together, I think it becomes a win-win situation, and ultimately it's the patient that'll benefit, and that's who we all work for. So good luck for the rest of the conference, and I think it should be very fruitful. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sanjay here from Quintiles HR Staffing. It was really a great privilege to be here for this DIA conference. So it's been a great experience for me as well as for my team to represent here. First of all, to know what's happening around across the industry in terms of the IT-enabled life sciences industry. So it has given a wider picture. It's not only just about the profitability, but it's about the value add that we are going to add for our customers or the patients that the world is undergoing a lot of challenges too at the same time. And my message to the industry, yes, we all need to concentrate on the profitability, but this should be a collaborative profitability to the industry that will really create a value-added platform to each and everyone. Thanks to DIA.
Thank you. Hello everyone. I take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jaitirtha Gopalakrishna. I work as a sales consultant in Oracle since from 2 years. Prior joining Oracle, I worked with companies like Icon, Quintiles and Cypharmix. So I come with around 15 years of experience in clinical research industry, starting from clinical operations, data management and safety a bit. Couple of days, yesterday we had a very nice interactive sessions on various topics on the transfer rate updates. So what kind of preparedness, what kind of the groundwork that's being done, and what kind of technology systems that are available, and how somebody can instill risk-based monitoring concepts within their organization in a small fashion, and how that could be enlarged over a period of time. So we kind of understood that, and there was a huge participation from the group, and there were a couple of thoughts on how an EDC solution needs to behave from a functionality perspective. What should be the ideal attributes an EDC system should have, and what kind of due diligence a pharmaceutical industry or a CRO needs to reckon before they go for an EDC application. There was an amazing panel discussion on the IDMP and the E2B R3 compliance, and experts did mention about what is the level of preparedness pharmaceutical industry had, and how these E2B R3 and IDMP standards are interlinked. So it was a very an academic-oriented, very educative session that we had, so overall it was a interactive day yesterday, and I believe today also we would be covering data transformations. We would be talking about the life sciences and healthcare convergence. So I'm sure this would be today would be a more of a learning session and enriching for everyone who would be attending this workshop. So thank you.
Hi, good morning. I'm Rohit Nagar. I'm product management leader for clinical operations and working with Aris Global currently. I've been participating in this particular DI conference, Life Sciences IT Enabled conference, right? For past 2 days. It has been a really good experience. I would like to appreciate the organizers first of all for arranging this kind of a conference, because I believe it's a first time this conference is happening in India, and it's unique on its own. The best part what I liked here was basically the stakeholders from the industry, whether it's sponsor organizations or CROs, participating in the conference, and along with it there are also the service vendors, IT vendors which are there, the product-based organizations which are developing solutions for this particular space, they are participating, and all are sharing the knowledge on the common platform. So DI has provided a common platform for all of us to share the knowledge and the ideas on various topics, burning topics I would say, which includes upcoming topics like IDMP and risk-based monitoring, and also how the big data or the data analytics can help us to derive more sensible information from the current information or the data which is available in this particular space or in this domain as a matter of fact, right? So lot of brainstorming sessions which happened yesterday on risk-based monitoring and IDMP. They are they have like opened the eyes for the people that okay, this is the way to go forward. But yes, there is a lot more to do. Everyone is talking about IDMP, everyone is talking about risk-based monitoring, everyone is talking about big data, but end-to-end solution needs to be arrived, and only IT players in the market using the technology can enable this. So that is a key takeaway from this particular conference, where how the IT could help in bringing efficiencies to the sponsors or CROs or these biopharma companies, reducing cost and making sure that their processes are streamlined, ultimately achieving the root cause or the main goal is of patient safety. So with all this conference, I would appreciate and thank the program committee and then the organizers of this conference to continue this kind of an initiative from year after year, and it should not be just one time, because this is very fruitful, and it has really contributed a lot in the way we think forward, where the IT companies can help forward and we can come up with innovative solutions to solve critical business problems and to help out the patient, keeping in mind that the patient is first, right? So my message to the industry here is basically one of the speaker yesterday very well said that IT department in any organization, it is not just like a support function. It is a neutral. It's basically a neutral component within that organization, whether it's a sponsor, pharma company, or anywhere, where everyone looks forward to give out or come up with an innovative solution which cuts across to different departments, cutting across to different technologies, cutting across to different processes, and helping out them to do the business better. So once again, thanks to the organizers of this conference, the program committee and GIA for this particular initiative, and I appreciate this initiative will be carried forward from year after year. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Adopt the right way and also keeping in perspective the entire regulatory environment and the safety requirements. So personally believe this is the right time for the industry to look at how do we make sure that we bring all those things together and make the best use of the technologies that are available and reduce the time it takes for the drugs to come through, as well as the cost of
My name is Shobit Shrotriya. I'm part of
Life Sciences R&D Operations at Accenture. I'm a Vice President and Program Lead for Clinical Data Services at Accenture. It has been a pleasure to be a part of the Program Committee for the DIA Conference being hosted at ITC Windsor, Bangalore today and yesterday, 19th and 20th of August, with the theme of how IT can enable life sciences industry. It has been a tremendous journey over the last 2 days. Key messages being how IT has enabled a pharma landscape to change and what it is doing further to make a transformation as well. It's a pleasure being associated with DIA because every time DIA comes over with a great theme of bringing different types of teams together. This time it is life sciences and healthcare coming together, brainstorming, sharing views and helping drive the industry discussion forward. Thank you so much and looking forward for many such instances in the future for contribution.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Soumya Srinivasan, part of Accenture technology team. I'm the life sciences industry lead. This conference DIA focused on life sciences with IT enablement has been a phenomenal event. It has actually covered all the key topics that are today hot topics that the industry is discussing. So it's great to be part of this team and great to be interacting with all the participants. Look forward to a bigger and better event next year.